Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study math for Buet Easy Method. Start by mapping topics into weekly goals and prioritize weak areas first. Break study blocks into focused 50-minute sessions with 10-minute breaks to keep momentum. Solve a mix of theory and past questions each day and review errors immediately. Track progress with a simple checklist and adjust plans every week to stay on target and confident. Choose active techniques like working problems, explaining steps aloud, and writing concise summaries after each session. Alternate between new problems and spaced review to build long-term recall. Focus on understanding derivations so you can adapt methods to novel problems. Keep a formula sheet that you update weekly and test yourself under time limits to build speed and accuracy for exam conditions. 2 weeks before the exam, switch to full-time simulations and mimic test conditions to train focus. After each mock, categorize errors by concept and practice those areas intensively. Balance speed and accuracy by learning shortcuts for common question types while keeping clear logical steps. Rest well before the exam day and do a light review of your formula sheet to keep confidence high.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.